Yo guys, I'm thinking about doing some blogs. So I'm gonna be doing blogs now. So yeah, we're doing blogs now. So it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And intro. Boom. Intro. That's the name of my intro now. So yeah, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I studying up. It's in my bed. And Black Ops 2 been doing pretty well for me, guys. Yeah, Black Ops has been doing pretty well. And yeah, tomorrow, or actually today, today's my mom's birthday. Yeah, she's turning 32. I don't know why I said that. But whatever. And yeah. Or when I don't know. I don't know. Last weekend, I left Friday, and I came back Wednesday. I went to Orlando with my grandma, and got me like a little gun. I just took off the stupid thing right now. I don't know why. Just took it off. And I show you how it shoots. Oh, the police. The police. Right when they heard you get shot. You reload like that. And you go. It's AC. Bow. But yeah. Tomorrow morning I'll be doing another blog when I wake up. I'll show you how my stuff was. Girl. For now, look at the red light. Well, I don't know what to talk about for my first blog. I'm just really bored as I am right now. Oops. Oh yeah, I gotta show you something. Hold up. Let me go to the mirror. Alright. Intro of the laser. Nah, I like the intro. I like how Toby Games does it. I mean, not Toby. Toby Turner does it like intro darkness and redness and whiteness. I don't want to steal this thing. I like intro. What? Or intro laser. Nah. Intro. What? Yeah, that's pretty cool. But my closeout. What's gonna be my first closeout? What's gonna be the closeout? Oh, laser. What's gonna be my closeout? How about I just don't? Oh, yeah. Like Toby Turner, like he has like boop. Well, how about me? I do coop. No, just kidding. But nah, I just won't have a closeout. I'll just say smooth. Nah, I'll just have peace or something like that, or Europe, or I don't know. But yeah, this is my closeout. Yeah.